These are called piononos. I don't know who came up with the name, but the technique is genius. It's like a pastelón, which is a Puerto Rican lasagna, but in the form of a cupcake. So they're just so much more easier to make and eat. So what you'll do is you'll grab a sweet plantain, okay, and you'll cut it vertically, and then you're gonna fry it 2 to 3 minutes on each side, okay? Then you're gonna put some butter on your cupcake pan, and look how they just perfectly fit inside the cupcake pan. Like, how the fuck? You're gonna grab some egg and you're gonna put it at the bottom. The egg is gonna act like the glue. It's gonna hold everything together. Okay, now I'm using ground turkey. You could use ground beef, and then I'm using shredded mozzarella. You could use, I don't know, pepper jack if you want, or some other freaking cheese, whatever. But it's gonna be egg, meat, cheese, meat, and then you're gonna put some more egg at the top. I put it in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Took it out, put some more cheese on top because why not? And then I cooked it for another like 7 minutes until it was pretty much golden brown. But y'all, put a little bit of chives on top and you got yourself an hors d'oeuvre, okay? These are cute. Oh my, you gotta make them.